If you are into real estate industry and working as an agent, and if you want to increase your business, if you want to grow your team size, if you want to increase your per month profit and number of deals, then this video is very important for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Amol Mourya, real estate coach, real estate trainer, real estate entrepreneur. In this video, I'll tell you that how to build a team as a real estate agent and why it is necessary. If you really want to grow your business, you have to build a team. But building a team is a process. So you have to understand the process in depth and in detail so that as an agent, you can build your own team. In this video, I'll tell you 5 practical steps which we have checked when we have interacted with so many agents across India. When we have interacted with so many builders, developers, marketing agency owners, through their conversation, we have came out with these points. So if as an agent you want to grow, follow these 5 steps and you can build a strong, profitable business in future. The first important point, if you really want to build your team as an agent, is start reinvesting 20 to 25% amount for your future growth of your earning. If as an agent, whatever you are earning throughout the year, start reinvesting at least 20% of that into building your future business of a real estate agency. Yes, you heard it right. If you really want to grow, you have to show people that whatever you have achieved in the past few years in the real estate industry is really commendable. You have earned that credit in the market. You have earned that brand name, that trust, that now people can get associated with you for working with good and bigger brands. Second point, slowly build your brand name and office infrastructure. With the money what you have saved out of your earning, start building your brand name. Have your own website, build a Facebook page, Instagram page, LinkedIn page. Now all these are very necessary things. As an agent or as a professional marketing agency, if you want to start in future, see, you can only grow your team when you start a marketing agency and you can help people to earn more in real estate. So build your brand name online, offline, in both the ways. Then build a good office infrastructure. We don't want, or we are not saying that buy a property, but at least you can rent out a good 2 BHK or a 3 BHK flat, convert it into an office, give space to people to sit. Let them enjoy the office environment, office culture, so that more number of people will come to you to get associated for bigger projects. Third, approach people to join you. Now you have brand name, now you have credibility, now you have infrastructure. Now start approaching people. Have a task. At least have a task that every month you will meet 10 new people and you will give them an offer. At least 2 of them will join at the end of the month. So you will have slowly at the end of the year at least 15 to 20 new people working with you. See, my dear friends, if you really want to grow your business, you have to work on numbers. Numbers play a very important role. If you meet 10 people, 10 new people every month, at least 2-3 will join. And if you keep on doing this for next 6 months, 1 year, you'll have a team of 10-15 people working with you. Fourth, test and retest your model and the people. Now, whatever you have done in the first 3 steps, keep on testing the model and keep on testing the people. It is not necessary that all the people, those who have joined you in every month, they'll work for a longer period of time. Even if 50% of them will work for a longer period of time with longer vision, or they can collaborate with you for future projects, or they can sync with your vision and mission, then they can work with you for a longer period of time. The 5th thing what you can do is finalize long-term team members. The moment you have tested, retested all the people, then at that moment you can finalize those people, those who can work with you for a longer period of time. If you really want to understand all these 5 steps, I'll give you a live case study of Mr. Ravi and Mr. Yogesh. Mr. Ravi and Mr. Yogesh have started real estate agent business 5 years before. Mr. Ravi has started building the team, started saving his investment, started making an office. In the first year, Mr. Ravi has done less deal compared to Mr. Yogesh. Mr. Yogesh was a good individual performer in the first year. Second year down the line, the performance of Mr. Ravi and Mr. Yogesh was almost at equal level. If suppose they have done 10 deals each in the second year. But third year onwards, Mr. Ravi has 2x, 3x his growth. And Mr. Yogesh has declined his overall performance. Why it happened? The only reason was Mr. Ravi was saving his investment. Since second year, he started building his office. Since third year, he had new team members working with him. And fourth, fifth year, now he had a very good professional marketing agency. And Mr. Yogesh is at fourth year also, he is working alone. The thing what I want to tell you is, Mr. Ravi has followed all the 5 steps. And when he followed all the 5 steps, he had built a good marketing agency, made a good brand name, provided the infrastructure to the people, tested, retested the model, and now he had at least a bunch of 5-10 good people working with him for a longer period on various projects. So, by implementing this kind of strategy, even you can grow your team as a real estate agent. So, if you really want to grow your business, if you want us to make more videos on the real estate topics, comment below that on which topic you want us to make a video. If you feel that this video is very important, share the link of this video with many people. You are the only person who can help us to spread this mission to at least 1 lakh entrepreneurs across the country and the globe. So thank you so much for liking our videos. Thank you so much for subscribing our channel. We'll meet in the next video.